Welcome back. Today, I'm taking you 4 miles deep into the North Cascades to explore an abandoned ghost town of Monte Cristo, where big dreams and big money came to flourish. Let's get started. So we're 3 miles in right now. We have about a mile left. It's a nice warm day today. 80 degrees. Feels warmer than that too. In 1889, gold and silver was discovered here. And that's what caused this place to thrive. Railway turntable. The guys behind the majority of the growth of Monte Cristo, John D. Rockefeller, Charles L. Colby, and Colgate Hoyt, they funded Everett, Washington. They also had the idea to build a railway from Monte Cristo down to Everett. So Rockefeller, Colby, and Hoyt Avenue in Everett is literally named after John D. Rockefeller, Charles L. Colby, and Colgate Hoyt. How's that for a legacy? Look at this. Fireplace. Wow. Well, there's still a couch in here. An outhouse. We have arrived at Dumas Street. Royal Hotel. If I'm not mistaken, this should be the hotel that was built and owned by Frederick Trump. Keys Memorial. That's Monte Cristo. Sadly, 1896, 1897, they had some major floods. And then we had the financial panic of 1907. And then later on, I think 1980, there was one last major flood, which put an end to Monte Cristo. Poodle Dog Pass, Silver and Twin Lakes. I know Silver Lake is probably another 2.5 miles from here. I think I might tackle it. The beginning of the trailhead to Monte Cristo is only 600 feet in elevation, 4 miles in length. From Monte Cristo to Silver Lake is an additional 1,600 feet in gain. I'm gonna work on this trail. I'll get back to you guys. Oh, that breeze feels good. Originally, I didn't want to hike up to Silver Lake. I did some research. I guess it's contaminated with heavy metals. I was talking to some hikers along the way today, and they said it's safe to drink. I do have a Sawyer Mini. I can filter my water and replenish my bottles when I get up there. So that's a plus. Not only that, cold plunge sounds great. Majority of this ascent from Monte Cristo to Silver Lake is in the shade. So that was great. It's starting to open up now. Getting a little warm. Well, that was a mosquito. Got me a little bit of protein. It's literally 13 miles round trip from the beginning of the trailhead to Silver Lake and back. All right, guys, it's getting a little rocky right here. I'm gonna tackle this hike and get back with you guys at Silver Lake. It's all snow melt. This is Silver Lake. Look how beautiful this water is. Just gorgeous. I can see all the way down to the bottom. Beautiful water. I'm all packed up, ready to go. Six and a half miles back to the trailhead. See you another day, Silver Lake. I'll be back. Being mindful of the food you pack. Weight per calorie ratio, for example. You take 4 ounces of cashews, 4 ounces of pistachios, 4 ounces of almonds, 4 ounces of M&Ms, essentially making your own trail mix. But that pound of trail mix is going to give you roughly 2,500 calories. Now compare that to a pound of beef, you're only going to get 600 to 700 calories, depending on how fat the cut is. An apple isn't going to cut it. A little snack isn't going to cut it. I've burned probably 1,600 calories already today, and I'm probably gonna burn another 1,000 calories. It's all downhill from here, so, and it's already 6 p.m. I started this hike around 11:30. It's cooled down a lot. Feels really good. The rest of the hike, I'll be in the woods. I have about 4.5 miles left of 13.3 miles. We're almost done. From Monte Cristo on, it's gonna be easy. There's only a 600-foot drop in elevation. Ooh, I can't wait. All right, guys. See you in a little bit. Well, the sun's setting. It's a little dark. That concludes this trip, 13.3 miles. If you guys like this content, make sure to like and subscribe. Now or forever never, baby.